In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, chapter number 5, exercise 5.2. And question 1, we have the accumulated value of $3,000 invested for 7 years at 4% compounded quarterly. Right? So, what is given? Our P is given, which is 3,000, and I is 4%, right? M, and then C we have to find out, Cn. So here I will write down the formula. C is equal to P into 1 plus I divided by 100 into M whole raised to power n. As I have told you that first of all we have to determine what we have to write down here instead of M. Now on the basis of M, we can write down n. So here it says 7 years compounded quarterly. So there are 4 quarters in a year. So M is equal to 4. So now what about n? So there are 7 years and there are 28 quarters in 7 years. So n will be 28. Whatever is n, we will write down Cn. We have to find out it means Cn, C28, because there are 28 periods, 7 years, and there are 28 quarters in 7 years. So P is 3000. 1 plus I is 4%, 100 multiply by 4 because there are 4 quarters in a year, whole raised to power 28. And then 3000, 1 divided by 400, or this 4 will cancel. Here we have 1. There are 2 or 3 different ways to solve it. Or you can solve 4 divided by 400. It will be 0.01 raised to power 28. 3000, add this, it will be 1.01 raised to power 28. So in your calculator you can see this symbol, sometimes direct or sometimes you have to use with the shift second function. So write down 1.01 on your calculators and then press this symbol, caret symbol, and then write down 28. So you will get 1.321. Multiply by 3000, it is 3963.87. So this is your answer. It means if you will invest today 3000, after 7 years at the rate of 4% compounded quarterly, you will get $3,963.87. But in your book, there are choices A, B, C, D, and E. This is the multiple choice question. So for this question, the answer is E because this option is not available. So it says none of these. But if you want to see what is the answer, this is the answer. I hope the question is clear. If it is still any point is not clear, you can ask me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.